Today we will demonstrate unboxing and review Yahboom STM32 self-balancing robot car. This is an open-source balance car for beginners. With good balance ability, supports balance posture detection and can load up to 4 kilograms. Can even climb in 30 degrees. Here we introduce the standard kit. Yahboom offers a variety of kit for choice. This is instruction manual. It is in Chinese and English. This is car chassis. Metal material is used as the main structure. It be pre-assembled before shipped. Users only need to install the sensor. The middle layer is balanced car driver board. On board STM32F, 10, 3RC00, URT6 chip and multiple sensor interfaces. An MPU6050 is also pre-installed on it. This is OLED. Can display the current mode and battery voltage. View status of the car in real time. Ultrasonic sensors can realize ranging, obstacle avoidance and following. This is a baffle that holds ultrasonic module. Through the Bluetooth 5.0 module, user can control car by app. When the mobile phone is close to robot car, Bluetooth will automatically connect. Or view the data of gyroscope and battery voltage on the app. Here is a screwdriver. Here are 2 protective copper columns. Can protect the balance car from being bumped when it falls. This is battery and charger. 2200 mAh rechargeable battery pack. Provide longer working time for robot car. Equipped with a metal battery box to protect the battery. In addition to the standard kit, we also provide other kits, such as handle control kit. Add handle, receiver and adapter plate based on the standard kit. Can realize 4GS handle remote control function. Line tracking kit. Add 4-channel tracking module based on the standard kit. Can track black lines with a width of 1/62 centimeters. Supports high difficulty line tracking such as right angle turns and intersections. K210 vision kit. Add K210 vision module based on the standard kit. Can realize visual following, visual line tracking, QR code control, self-learning classification, handwritten numbers recognition. LiDAR kit. Add LiDAR module based on the standard kit. LiDAR guarding, avoiding, following and patrolling can be realized based on LiDAR ranging function. After the assembly is completed, we can experience the robot car. The app remote control program is pre-installed before shipped. It contains multiple functions. Turn on the power switch to experience robot car. Turn the wheel to switch different function modes. Standard kit can experience app control, ultrasonic avoiding mode, ultrasonic following mode, loading mode. Let's experience app remote control. This is main control interface. We can control car movement. This is PID debugging interface. You can debug the balance loop PID, speed loop PID and steering loop PID respectively. This is waveform display interface. Display the waveform data changes of acceleration, gyroscope and battery voltage. This self-balancing car integrates STM32F, 10, 3RC, URT6 chip. Equipped with metal chassis, high-power motor and 6-axis IMU additive sensor. Supports balance posture detection. 4 kilograms load balance. 30-degree climbing. Through the ultrasonic module, can realize avoid obstacles or following. User can view data on OLED in real time, or viewing data or debugging parameters on app in real time. We have also reserved multiple expansion interfaces on the driver board. Can connect PS to handle, 4-channel tracking module, and combined with the K210 vision module. It can realize QR code control, color following, color line tracking. In addition, users can also combine LiDAR to complete LiDAR guard, patrol, obstacle avoidance, following functions. Many tutorials and codes will be provided for free, which can help users quickly master the control technology of self-balancing robot car.